In this video, I'll show you how to create your profile account as a service provider in the Yopo Provider app. The first step is to download the app from the Play Store or App Store, depending on your operating system. The name of the app is Yopo Provider, and the logo is white and purple. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and select Sign Up, then upload your profile photo. Start filling in your personal information. In the username field, you'll need to create one by writing it all together. Make sure not to leave any spaces between characters. In the company name field, enter your company's name if you have one. Otherwise, you can simply use your own name. Then select the type of company you have and enter the bank account information, where payments for your services will be deposited. Next, add your preferred email address and the phone number where you'd like to receive app notifications. Then select your user type, company or freelancer. Create a password, making sure to include at least one special character. You'll need to enter your social security number or ITIN number, or if you're registering as a business, the EIN or tax ID of your company. Then upload photos of your identification document, both front and back, for verification purposes. The photo shown is just an example. Next, enter the address associated with your company, social security number or ITIN number as applicable. Make sure the address includes the city, state, and ZIP code, separated by commas. Continue by adding your bank account's routing number. Then, you'll need to draw your signature, upload a photo of it, or use your camera to take a picture of it, whichever method works best for you. Under document type, you can choose driver's license or passport, and you must upload a photo of the document, both sides in the case of a driver's license. Finally, accept the app's terms and conditions, then tap the Sign Up button. You'll receive an email letting you know that your application is under review for verification and approval. Once you receive the email confirming your account has been approved, you'll be able to log in as a registered user and make changes if necessary. Let's log in using the credentials we created. As you can see, we can now navigate within the app. This way, you've successfully created your provider account in the Yopo Provider app. Don't forget to share this video with friends and neighbors and invite them to download our app. See you soon!